Alright, so this trip going up to Irving, go pick up my wife, and then we're going to hit the Bryan concert, and then just stay one night over at a campground out there, and then come home. So going to test out some new equipment, see how the comfort level is, and brought a lot of extra crap just to see how much we can carry. This was the rest of our campsite that we used when we first got here. It's got really cool stairs. It's actually very nice because you have all this private area. The next campsite's over there. And then there's one across the street. But you don't see the people around you. It's kind of like private campsites. So, pavilion, shaded spot with picnic table, place to hang up your food, I guess. And then your campsite, your fire pit / grill. And then there's obviously a spot over here to pitch a tent as well. So, but this is like the nicest state campground we've been to because there's no one right next to you. I mean, you don't really feel like they're there. You can hear the road, which is probably about the only bum thing about it, but I mean, even that's not that bad. So it's kind of cool. So we camped up there. Came in real late last night. Didn't get to do any kind of setup video because we set up again in the dark. We did come here early though. We got here about 2 o'clock, midday before the concert, and just kind of staged everything, got everything set up, hung out for a little bit, took a nap because we were both pretty tired, and hung out, pre-set everything up pretty much to where we just took the tent down and closed it in on top of everything, and then put the truck back together and went off to the concert. So that way when we came back from the concert, we were able to just basically set up real quick in the dark. So it was a nice feature. So I'll go over our gear and a little bit more in-depth look at where we were sleeping last night. But I wanted to show you the campground because this is really cool. I really like this private-ish camp area. I mean, I think it's really nice. There's guys across the way. They have multiple tents sprung up in one of these spots, which is really cool because they're all kind of hanging out in one camp spot, but they have their own little private area as well. So that's really cool. But let me show you the truck. We brought all the coolers today to test them out because I couldn't figure out which one I wanted to test first, so I thought, screw it, we got the room, bring them all. So this time we got the Ryobi working as an air conditioner, which worked great last night. Yeti for food. We got the Arctic. Probably won't be bringing the Arctic again. It works fine for every day, but not really for this kind of thing. This time we slept on camp mats It's a 1.5-inch Ozark trail I got on clearance at Walmart for $11. And then Academy's version there, this green guy, for $25 at the store with rewards. And then we've got our sleeping bags, which are both mummy bags. Gina needed hers. I almost needed mine. But, you know, lots of room. That Jalen's bag. That suitcase was actually over here, which made like a nice privacy wall for us with these two things. But normally we won't have that. I had to go pick her up at a conference. So that's why one of the reasons we're here. So the tote has all my stuff in it. I'll be doing more in-depth reviews about the setup later. And so, you know, we've got all our stuff kind of sprawled everywhere in the front seats. But we still, with everything kind of everywhere, we still had all this area to sleep in. So, got our lanterns up top for light, which still work great. Just like they did in South Lano. You know, we're about to make some breakfast and make some coffee, so I'll take some video of that. But the tents, the mats did pretty good. Slept comfortably. Not as comfortably as the futon, probably, but ultimately, I slept pretty good. Jalen says she slept pretty good too. So, and of course, some pillows from the house. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We got stuff everywhere, but that's because we got here and set up around 1 a.m. and we're done by 1:30 and just went to sleep. So we'll get better at this staging stuff as we continue on. Still learning and kind of still fine-tuning everything, of course. So, but time to make some coffee and some breakfast.
You do everything with this.
I know, right?
Got an inchworm on me. Trying to run away. Get on me there, buddy. Nowhere for you to go.
Here we go. Yeah.
Still on?
You are here. Hello. bathroom facility. Awesome. Alright then, we're all packed up. Everything's in the back, except the stuff we want access to. We're all set to go.